Hello and welcome to Jane Tanner Designs Crochet YouTube channel. Today we'll be working on the magic circle. The magic circle is how some crochet projects begin. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you need to use it in your project. So how we're going to start by taking your thread and we're going to wrap it around our ring finger and our middle finger on our left hand. You'll leave the thread hanging over just like so. Now you're going to take your hook, you'll insert it into the circle between your fingers. Go ahead and yarn over and pull that through the loop like that. And now at this point in your pattern, it will probably tell you what to work in your circle. For now, we're just going to do 6 half double crochets. So first we're going to chain once. And then we're going to start working around our magic circle. We're doing half double crochets. And we're just going to go over both the circle and the end tie, doing these half double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, depending on the pattern, you'll either slip stitch or you'll just keep working around in the round. But the next step is you're going to pull the loose end all the way tight, and it'll pull it around in a circle. For my patterns, typically we slip stitch into the first stitch. So I usually count back 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this stitch right here, we're going to loop in and do a slip stitch. And that is how you do a magic circle. And you can pull this all the way tight. Learning to crochet? Make sure you like and subscribe so you don't miss a tip.